Se agus tá Luke Flynn and Shulla mar a Davely nach chuma. Luke, a testy enough match, 3 reds and 4 black cards. You'd know well that the teams know a lot about each other and probably grew up playing each other a lot. What do you make of it?
Yeah, look, it was always going to be a tough game, and like they're our local rivals, so it was going to be hair and skin playing. But yeah, look, Carbery are a good season senior team, and we knew we were going to be up against it today, so just lucky to get over the line, I suppose.
Bearing in mind the talent and a lot of names that we would recognise that you have in the team, the club hasn't won a senior title in an awful long time. I think you have to go back to the 80s. Would this year be a year where you think you could push on and take it on another level?
Yeah, I think it's 89 since we won a senior championship, so yeah, I suppose we're a small club and we need everyone on the field, and we have a few injuries there at the minute, so look, if you get everyone back in the field, we'll try and have a good lash at it, and you never know what could happen.
You have Daniel back from the States after his travels. A little bit of teamwork between the two of yourselves. You'd know well that you knew each other's games a good bit inside out. And for a fellow who wouldn't have played a huge amount of football while he's away, his level of fitness looks really good.
Yeah, look, Daniel knows to keep himself well, and I suppose he's only going to get better throughout this championship. And look, I suppose any full backs, he's a nightmare to mark. So look, he was on song there today, and we kept feeding the ball, and he kept doing the business for us. So we're happy and delighted to have him back, I suppose.
I have to ask you as well, will he be back in with the county, do you think, this summer?
But Jesse may ask Daniel that.
Well, if he's here, I would.
Oh, sure, ask him.
All right. I want to ask you, though, just more general terms now. The county scene this year, the last year, I presume, would have given the county a big lift. Can the county push on to another level, do you think, this year?
I don't know. I don't know what way the setup's going in there now. So, look, as a Kildare man, you'd hope we would go far and get into the Super 8s, and you don't know what way to go, but yeah, please God to do.
And what about the players who are on the outside then looking in, because this is the end of championship effectively for the club until I presume August or whenever the county team goes out of the championship. It becomes more and more difficult for players to be retained by clubs. I suppose a lot of fellas will go travelling, for example. Yeah,
maybe so. It's tough, like lads going back to the county and not being training, especially a small club like yourself, where we'd be struggling for numbers then, like without, especially back up in Division 1 this year. So it's tough, but sure, what you do, you just have to keep going.
Well, it's too late na himar an seo tránó na Luke agus cóhardachas leat tá Andrea na Cra an seo agus tá ticé de cé don cranchur €250,000 de luach tí atá i gceist an son ó CLG Kilcocha. Cóhardachas Luke.